Please, sorry about that. We have to stop the class and restart again because in the first session we had the video stuck. The video it was not moving and it was not really the best for those who want to join the live class. If the video is not moving, it does not really represent a live class. In a live class, you need to see me talk, hear me, and I respond to you directly. But the first session couldn't continue because the video was not moving. It was stiff, maybe due to network challenge. So we have to restart this live session. So you're welcome back. Those of you who were in the class before, do well to join back. Let's continue the class now. Thank you for staying, put to this. Thank you for, standing by. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your cooperation. As far as this is concerned, I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafor. Wherever you are and you're interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, you do well to join this class. Every Saturday we meet by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. We meet, which is 1300 GMT. Wherever you are from any part of the world and you're interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, you do well to join us. Are you born by Igbo parents and you're finding it difficult to speak Igbo language? You are married to Igbo and you're a non-Igbo and you want to, unite with your family and teach your children Igbo and communicate with your in-laws properly. You need to join this class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 13:00 GMT. Are you having Igbo friends or partners or business associates? You need to speak Igbo language. That's the language of business enterprising people in Nigeria. So you join us wherever you are from any part of the world and you see me now, your screen, you're interested in learning Igbo language, this is where to be. So join up now. Let's do this together. As you join, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the share button, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not done that, you also need to, drop a comment, a greeting. That way, we can appreciate and recognize your presence. We also greet you back. We need to pick your name because we communicate with you directly by name. So do that now. Mary, thank you for standing by. Thank you for returning back to class. Dr. Blahi, where are you? Let's come back to class and move on as usual. We are moving on. We've done in the last session that stopped abruptly, unprepared. We've done the first word because we're dealing with Igbo words in present and past tense, using them to make simple sentences that will be easy to understand and connect. So that's what we're doing. And we have done the first word, which is laiachi, which means come back, go back. We've done a simple sentence with that, the past tense of it. We are going to the next word now. Remember, we follow alphabetical order. Ndewo abụ Maazị Okafọ. Ya mere ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, ị chọrọ ịsụ asụsụ Igbo, ị chọrọ ịmụta Igbo, anyị na ebe a inyere gị aka. Anyị na-eme ya n'efu. Satọde niile ma ọ kụọ elekere 2 nke ehihie, anyị na-awụchi ebe a ịbịa kụziere unu Igbo na-akwụghị ego ọbụla. Ya mere ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ị chọrọ ịnụ asụsụ Igbo, ị chọrọ ịsụ ya asụ, ị chọrọ ide ya ede, ịbụ nwa afọ Igbo mana a mụrụ gị na mba ofesi, ị nọghị n'ala Igbo wee too, maọbụ na ị nwere di nwunye ị chọrọ ịlụ na-abụghị onye Igbo maọbụ na-abụghị onye Igbo, ị chọrọ ka ọ na Igbo, mee ka ọ mara ihe gbasara akara YouTube anyị, mee ka ọ mara mgbe anyị na-enwe ọgbakọ nkụzi ya ka o sonyere anyị ụbọchị ọbụla ịmụ asụsụ Igbo. Anyị na-abịa ebe a ma ọ kụọ elekere 2 nke ehihie, anyị awụchie ebe a ịbịa kụziere gị Igbo na-akwụghị ego ọbụla. Ya mere kwado anyị, soro anyị mee ya ka ọ na-aga aga. Asị na gidigidi bụ ugwu eze. Let's go on together. For those of you who are in the class, at least you've heard me speak Igbo very well now. You think I speak English all the time. I'm only doing that because of you. Not for you, I speak Igbo throughout. I can do that conveniently. Let's move on. Next word we are talking about here now is may. May. When I say the Igbo word, you listen to the sound, comprehend it, write it in Igbo language so that we can measure your ability to translate sound of Igbo word to written text. That is the first test now. So now we are in number 1, may. Number 2 rather, may. Okay, Mary. Mary says sounds good. You enjoy the Igbo I spoke now. That's very good. May is the word. Dr. Blind has written may. Mary there. They may. Let's go. Who else is in the class? Please drop your greetings. That way I will pick your number and also greet you back. Don't forget to say ndewo, no, dalo, imela. Greet us, just drop your greetings so that we can also pick your name and return your greetings back to you. Okay, May is the word. Very correct. Dr. Blahi, Mary, you got it right. Okay, Mark, love from Jamaica. Oh, a brother from Jamaica. Ndewo, that's how we say welcome in Igbo language. Dalo, welcome to class. Okay, now the word is may, that's correct. Next challenge is, what is the meaning of the word may? Who can help us? Meaning of the word may in Igbo language. What does it mean? Akudenu. Akudenu. Dalundewo. Please, Akudenu. Let's know where you are joining from. We have from Mark Akeru from Jamaica. One of the things you do for us when you join our class is to let us know the country where you are joining from. That helps us a lot. Okay, Mark Aden, okay, USA. Mark is USA. Mark in there, na class Igbo. Okay. Oh yeah, Dr. Blah is saying may means do. That is correct. Do. That is may. Very correct. May do. Now we move into past tense because that's what we're doing now. Igbo present and past tense and simple sentences with them so that we can broaden our knowledge of that word. Now, let's go. What is the past tense of may? KKC ede ya dịka n'okwu gara aga. Okwu gara aga as past tense. KKC ede ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Deere anyị ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Past tense of may in past tense. What is it? Dee ya ọsịsọ ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Dee ya ọsịsọ ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Ọya, onye ga-ebu ụzọ dee ya? Kedu onye bụ ụzọ edere anyị ya? Who is writing it first for us? Kedu onye bụ ụzọ ede ya? Who is writing it first? Oh, Mary has done that. That's great. Mary. And Mary got it perfectly correct. Mary. That is the past tense of may. Mary. Dr. Blahin, thank you. You are coming in also. Mary. Oh, I'm talking about akudenu. Akudenu, when you join our class, there are a few things you do. Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, have your writing materials to write and learn, because you cannot come to our class and go without learning something new. You must be better before leaving our class. So, akudenu, please do what I've just said now. Hit the like button, share out this live session, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've not done that, let's go. Okay? Melu. Charles said the past tense of may is melu. Charles, that may be correct, but that is a clannish local dialect. It's not the central one. But we are using central Igbo here. So that may be correct from your clan in Igbo land, but the centrally accepted word for past tense of may is mere. M-E-R-E. Okay, talking to Charles. Talking to Akuden now. Right? Let's make a simple sentence with that. That's what we do here. Okay? Now, the sentence is this. O mere nke ọma. O mere nke ọma. O mere nke ọma. Right? The word I said. The Igbo sentence, the way I said it. Write it down. O mere Nkoma. Write it. Who does that first? Yeah, let's go there. Who is doing it first? O mere Nkoma. Oh, Akudenu is on fire. He has done it. Akudenu from US. Want to challenge Dr. Blahi and Mary. Okay, she wants to push you to people down. He has done it well. O mere Nkoma. I guess Akudenu don't have the Igbo keyboard. And that's why he's writing like this. The Igbo keyboard is possible to get if you have a phone there. Go to language and setting and keyboard and look for Kwati Igbo in your keyboard setting. Kwati Igbo. Select it, store it in your phone, then your keyboard will be toggled between Igbo and English. If you press the shift bar down, it will give you option of Igbo keyboard or English keyboard. You now select Igbo keyboard. Okay, you have it already. That's good. Omere Nkoma, yeah. I couldn't, you have gotten what I mean. You're writing it better now. Omere Nkoma, perfect. That is the right word. Okay. Okay, Dr. Blah, you have gone ahead. Tell us the meaning. We never get to that level, but it's okay. Mary, you also got it right. Doctor, where did you write it? Doctor, you did not write what we asked you to write. You jump to tell us the meaning of the sentence. That's not what we say we should do. We ask you to, first of all, write the sentence. Before we move to the meaning, you are jumping the gun. Dr. Blind, follow your teacher. Don't be faster than the teacher. All right? That's fine. We forgive Dr. Blahi now. And then the word, the meaning is he or she did well. Of course, I accept what Dr. Blahi wrote as the meaning. That is correct. He or she did well. That's great. Doctor, thank you for that. You'll be surprised. Don't let Dr. Blahi beat you guys. So this is a Yoruba man that is learning Igbo language with seriousness and is making progress so much. So don't let it beat you guys, okay? Now let's go. We are through with that. We're moving to the third word for today, and your video got stopped. And that was the first one. Yeah, that was the first session. Ronnie Mana, the video got stuck in the first session, so that's why we have to stop it and restart all over again. Did you get that, Ronnie? That was what really happened. The video got stuck. We have to abandon that session and restart again. That is Nigeria's reality. Nothing is working well here. We're just managing to take out anything, right? So we're very sorry about that. Ronnie? Okay, Ronnie, you didn't tell us where you are joining from. Which part of the world are you joining from? Ronnie Mana? All right, Ronnie, you need to write those words out or project them on the screen so we can get a visualization of the word. Okay. But if you are following, I'm talking to Makeru from Jamaica. If you are looking at the charts as they are flowing in, I hope you are following other students as they are writing. You will see when the correct word is written. I will comment on that. And I will call the names of the people that wrote it correctly. So if you are watching the chat, you will always see when I say this is the correct sentence. So you can pick it from there, okay? Because I don't have the facility to write it on screen now for you again. Even me, I may not be able to type now. But when I say, like in this case, Akudenu got the correct sentence, Omere Koma, in fact, with the correct alphabet, dot under, the one that should have dot under, and everything is perfect with what Akudenu wrote. The second sentence of Akudenu was perfect. Who else? Dr. Blahi also got it correct. Omere Nkoma, that is the perfect sentence. So you can always copy when I tell you who has gotten it right. Okay? Okay. So, Ronnie Mana is from India. Wow, that's great. We are highly welcome. We appreciate your love for Igbo language and for learning with us. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Email. That's how we say thank you in Igbo. We say email. IMEELA, email. Thank you. So I don't know whether I answered the question of Makairu from Jamaica. Did you get what I explained on how to know and get the correct sentence? Is it clear enough, my friend from Jamaica? Can you confirm? Yeah, that's Ronnie, email. That is thank you in Igbo language. Great. Okay, Makeru, did you get what I said? Makeru. I hope I am pronouncing your name well anyway. Is it Makeru? Am I pronouncing it well? My brother from Jamaica. Please correct me if I'm not getting it well, but I think I'm getting it well. Makeru. Okay, please respond to me if I answered your question well. And let's move on to number 3 word today. And number 3 word is from alphabet M in Igbo. Amechi Udag. The videos have been helpful. Oh, Amechi Adaugo. Great. Adaugo Dalo. No, Chukwu gozie gị maka ịbịa na klaasị anyị. Ndewo. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Okay, anyị na-aga n'ihu na emume anyị a na klaasị nke taa na ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. Anyị emeela okwu nke mbụ mee nke abụọ, anyị na-aga na nke atọ. We have done word number 1, word number 2, word number 3. That's where we are now. And the word is napota. Napota. The first challenge is to listen to me, convert what I say to alphabet by writing the word in the chat. We'll get that one first. we determine the meaning of the word, we move it to past tense, we make a simple sentence with it. That is stage by stage of what we're doing here. Number one, I've said napota. Napota. That is the word. Napota. Okay. First person has gotten it. The first person that got it now is Akudenu, followed by Amechi Adugo. Mary often tried, but Mary, you put KP instead of only P, not KP. P, not Napota. Napota is just P. Okay, that's great. Okay, so two people have gotten the word correctly. I don't know whether my friend from Jamaica is following. That's how we determine. Once we got the right word, we say the person that got it, so you can copy if you are writing. Okay, Mary, that's great. Napota, even though you don't have dot under, but we forgive you. We know you don't have the Igbo alphabet yet. Okay, second challenge. What is the meaning of the word napota? What does it mean? Napota. What does that Igbo word mean in English? Napota. What does it mean? Let's go. Who shoots first? Who gets that first? Game on. What does napota mean in Igbo language? Dr. Blahi, you're welcome. We've seen your chart. Okay. Okay. Akuden will say, take away. Not agreeing with that. I need more contribution. Okay, what does it mean? Take away? No. Okay, Amechi Adugo, to deliver from. Correct. Correct. That is the answer. To deliver from. That is the correct answer. The answer comes from Amechi Adugo. In fact, that one he puts question mark at the back. Pam, pam, pam is the correct one. Amechi Adugo, to deliver from. But it's actually to deliver. I never add from to it, but it's actually to deliver. Okay? That is napota. Okay? So those who are writing, Mary and the rest of them, please write that now. Napota means deliver. Deliver. Okay? Not even to deliver, just the word deliver. If it is to deliver, it changes. It becomes inapota. Inapota. That is to deliver. Okay? But the word is napota, and the meaning is deliver. Not even deliver from. Deliver. Okay? That's the tricky nature of Igbo language. All right? We are moving. Okay? Okay, Dr. Blahi is not escape. Escape is wepuga, okay, or bapuga, that is escape, or balaga, that is escape. Balaga or wepuga, onweya, that is escape. But deliver is napota. Dr. Blahi, I hope you get me right. Let's go there. We move to the past tense of the word napota. What does it mean? The past tense of napota is what? Who gets that first? The clock start clicking by now. Yeah? Who get that? Past tense of napota. Let's go. Let's shoot. Shoot now. Past tense of napota. Who gets that first? Let's go. The past tense of napota. N'asụsụ Igbo. Gịnị bụ ka ọ bụ? Okwu nke ihe gara aga. Okwu gara aga nke mkpụrụ okwu a bụ napụta. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? What is the past tense of napụta in Igbo language? Dr. Blahi, I think you, okay, I'm waiting for that. Dr. Blahi, last time you tried to give us a super sticker. I think it is your Naira I'm always seeing in front. You didn't finish your transaction. I hope you are going to finish it today. Dr. Blahi, I'm talking to you. You tried to give us super sticker last time, I think 2 weeks ago or so, and you couldn't complete your transaction. Complete it today before the end of this class, so okay, because it's still hanging and pending. All right. Who is helping us with the past tense of napota? I'm waiting for that. Who is doing that for us? Yeah, let's go. Past tense of napota. Is it network that is holding you down or what? What is holding you down? Let's do it. Past tense of napota is what? Yes, sometimes I know it's network. Some of you must have replied, but network will be holding them back. The funny nature of everything happening in Nigeria now. Things are not working perfectly. We hope it gets better over time. If politicians will allow that. Okay, let's go. What is the past tense of napota? What is going on? No one is responding. Is it network problem? I can't hear anything. I can't see anything. You don't know it. I should supply the answer. Yes. Should I supply the answer? Past tense of napota is what? What is going on? Network problem again. Network problem again. I'm not seeing your chart coming in. What is holding it? Okay. What is holding your chart? Oh, yeah. I've seen what is the problem. I can see it now. Okay, I've seen your responses. Mary wrote Napotara, correct? Akudenu wrote Napotara, correct? Amechi Adugo, Napotara, correct? Dr. Napotara, correct? Ugomilmalu, Napurara, Ugomirimalu. Okay, Ugomiri, that's not correct. Okay, look at the responses from the rest people ahead of you. Those responses are correct. Ugomirimalu, that is not very correct. Ugomirimalu, okay? Thank you for coming to our live class anyway. This is the first time I'm seeing you in our live class. Okay, Amechi Adugo. I think this is the first time you are joining our live class. Akudenu, this is also the first time I'm seeing your names. Okay, am I right? Okay, am I right? This is the first time you guys are joining our live class. Gomiri, Amechi, Akudenu, and then who else? Yeah, you guys are joining for the first time. Am I right? If I'm right, just say yes. Okay, yes, that's good. So those of you who are in the class already and you have not hit the like button for this live session, you've not shared it out to your contacts, you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you are not fair to your teacher at all. You are not fair. What else can you do for your teacher? You can't give me anything now. This is a free class. The best you can do for me now is to show love and show appreciation, solidarity with us, to encourage us to do more by just simply hitting the like button, sharing this out with your friends, subscribing to our YouTube channel. That's the least you can do for me now. Why are you finding it difficult to do? I appreciate those who have done that already. Ugombiri, where are you joining from? Which part of the world are you joining from? Amechi Adugo, where are you joining from? Which part of the world? We always like to connect with our people where they are. Let's know where you are joining from. We have Jamaica here, we have USA, we have Nigeria, we have India. Okay, where are you joining from? XS. Is that in USA? Ugomili Malo. That should be USA, if I'm right. Essex. Okay, UK. All right. How about Amechi Adugo? Where are you joining from? Which part of the world? Where are you joining from? Adugo. And Akudenu. I think Akudenu says from US. Am I right? I think Akudenu has said from US before, or is not the one. I'm not sure he's the one. Okay, from USA. Akudenu has said that before. From USA. Okay, from UK, Mary from UK. Of course, I know Mary from UK. All right, I have a lot of UK and US guys here. Right, thank you for being with us. All right, let's go. We've done the past tense of Napota. We're going to make a simple sentence with the past tense, not the present tense, the past tense. Okay? Chineke napụtara anyị. Chineke napụtara anyị. Let's do that. I have already said before, I've said the meaning of napota before now. Have I not said it? I say deliver. 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 I've said it before. Dr. Blahi, the meaning of napota is deliver, especially from danger. Okay? But the simple meaning is deliver. Are you with me, Dr. Blahi? Okay, Amecha Adugo from Nigeria. Great. Okay. All right. Mary have written the sentence now. Chineke. Chinake. Oh, Mary, it seems you have gotten the Igbo keyboard. I can see you putting you with dot under. Am I right? Mary, have you done? Have you installed your Igbo keyboard? All right. Okay, Dr. Blind, please, I advise that you always follow what we are doing, the order. The order is when I give the sentence, you write the sentence. We have a reason for all this. We first of all have to test your ability to write the sentence correctly. It is until that is done before we go to say the meaning of the word. Okay? Please, let's follow it orderly like that. Dr. Blai, I'm talking to you now. So please try to follow the order. First the word or the sentence, then we go to the meaning. So if you don't write the sentence and you're writing the meaning, I wouldn't know whether you know how to write the sentence in Igbo correctly or not. So I have a reason for asking you to write it. It's just to be sure you can write it in Igbo language. So that we move from there to the meaning. Everybody can now learn that too. This is a community. We all follow the same rules. Thank you for your understanding. All right. Let's see what we do here. Chineke napụtara anyị Mary Ofem. Okay. But your Chineke is not Chineke. You wrote Chinake. That is where, okay, you have made the correction down there, Mary. That's great. Okay, let me see. Ugomiri Maru, God delivered the same problem with Dr. Blahi. Ugomiri is writing the meaning of what I said instead of writing the sentence. That is not fair. Clement, Chineke napụtara anyị, correct, but your anyị does not have dot under the I. Please do correction. Oh, let me see. Chineke napụtara anyị. Okay, you don't have the Igbo keyboard yet, I guess. That's why you're not putting dot under where you should put it. Okay, Dr. Blahi, apologies accepted. Chineke napụtara anyị, perfect, but your anyị is not good because it doesn't have dot under the I. Anyị has dot under I, A-N-Y-I, with dot under the I. So the only person that got this perfectly without correction, let me see, who did it perfectly without any need for correction. Let me see. Nobody was able to do it without correction. Even Clement Emehe, your Ani does not have dot under it. Even though you are old student, I don't expect this from you. Please, let's do the right things. Okay, that's great. Chineke napụtara. Okay, Akudenu has written the correct sentence without any need for correction. Akuden perfectly written. That is okay. Clement Emehe has also corrected himself. So the two charts down, the last two charts contain the perfect sentence we're looking for. Go minimal. How to download the keyboard is to go to your keyboard, you go to your phone setting, look for language, move to keyboard, you look for Kwati Igbo, and then you select it and install it. Your keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo. So you can hold the long bar, the shift bar down. When you have installed, it will now display Igbo keyboard and English keyboard. You select Igbo keyboard. That way, when you want to type Igbo word or Igbo key or alphabet, you hold the key down. It will give you options of that same key or that same alphabet with dot under, with dot on top, with tone mark up, with tone mark down, everything will all be there. You now choose the one you want to use at any point in time. That is for Gomiri. Anyway, I need to also at this point let all our students, especially the new ones who don't know, to know that we have reduced most of our videos, especially the important ones, to ebook. And those ebooks are simplified and made in a special way that will be easy for new students to learn from. Why did I say so? It contains text, pictures, and downloadable audios, which means if you buy our ebooks, you have access to the audio that you will listen to read content of the book for you in Igbo language in a clear way that you will understand. In other words, the teaching is done in audio while you look at the book and go through it with me. I'm the one who taught. So when you buy books, you simply download the audio. You can listen to the audio offline. You can read the book and listen to the audio when you are offline. While you are cooking, while you are driving, while you are doing laundry, you can be listening to me talking to you, even when you are offline. So how do you get those books? Very simple. You go to our channel description in our homepage, open it up, you see a link to our bookshop, go to our previous live sessions, even this one that is on now. When we end it, you look at the description box, you see a link to our bookshop. You can also scroll down. As you're scrolling down in our homepage, you will see the advert of our books. Those adverts come with a link to the bookshop on top of it. Click on the link and you'll land in our bookshop where you can select any of the books you want. In fact, the most important one for beginners, covering alphabet, two-letter phrases, two-word phrases, numbers, daily conversation, everything is all there. Get your own today, and they are so cheap. Between $1 to $3, you buy any of them. You can buy as many as you want. How about 16 books there? So get there to after the class and pick your books, and you'll be glad you did. Those who are our old students know about them, and they have been enjoying them. Dr. Blahi is one of our regular customers, and he has improved so much using those books. Mary is also using them, and many other people, and they can testify that the books are very wonderful. So get them after the class, give them as gifts to your friends, to your children, to anyone around you, and they will appreciate you more. Thank you for doing that. Let's go on. Right. So we have done Chineke Napotarani, which means, some people have written that already, God delivered us. God delivered us. Okay? Who wrote that before? Let me see. God delivered us. Dr. Blahi wrote it before. And Amechi Adug also wrote it. God delivered us. That is exactly the meaning of that. God delivered us. Right? Let's move to the next word, which is in the alphabet N. Okay, alphabet N, W actually, not N. We've done N. N, W. And the word is more. Listen to the sound. More, more, more. Let's see those who can get the spelling correctly. Okay, let's go. Drop the word now. More, more. Let's go there. Drop the word now. Yes, waiting for you to drop the word. More. Mary wrote. Mary has written. Waiting. More. Right. Mesha Dugu has written. I will not give the result yet. I want more responses before I mark. Before I mark the script, let me have more responses. Mary has written, Amechi has written. Who else is writing? Write that in Igbo language. Listen to the sound of my pronunciation. Convert it to text. And let's see how you can understand the Igbo alphabet sound and how they sound in a word. Okay? Okay, Clement has written. I have 3 responses now. Any other person still coming in before we mark the script now? Yeah. Where is Akudenu and the rest of them? I'm going to mark now. Be fast about it. Let's go. Let's go there. Akudenu has come in. Okay. You have all tried. Let's see who got it right. At least I got 4 responses already. Anyone still coming in? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Before I mark, where are you, Dr. Blahi? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Ugomeni Malo, where are you? You have not written more. Yeah. You are the few guys I'm waiting for. 2 people. Anyway, I can mark now. Maybe your own is still on the way. Who got it first? The one that got the word first is Amechi Adaugo. Adaugo. More. NWUO. Dot under U. Dot under O. Perfect. Followed by Clement Emehe. You also got the word correctly. Let's go there. What is the meaning of the word? More. Second challenge. What is the meaning of the word? Nwo. Yes. Let's go. Who will tell us the meaning? Nwo. Nwo. Nwo is a verb actually. Let me guide you. It's a verb. Nwo. Okay. Mary said blow. Okay, let's see. Amechi said drink or die. Wow. This is great. Any other option? Any other option? Mary says blow. Is it blow or blow air? I don't know which one you mean. Any other one? Any other person coming in? Adao Akuden, what do you say? Clement and what do you say is the meaning of the word? Nwo. What do you say? Dr. Blind, what do you say? The meaning of the word? Nwo. Can you give it to me? Yes, I'm waiting for you. Give me the Igbo meaning of the Igbo word. Nwo. Yes. Okay, Clement, am I? It's good you confess instead of rather than wasting our time. Okay. Okay. I couldn't drink. Command. Okay. Now, the meaning is drink. It also means die. According to Amechi, Amechi is also right. Nwo is also to tell somebody to die, but I don't want to use that. I don't want to tell somebody to die, but it also means die. But actually what we want to use here is drink. Nwo, drink. Okay, that's correct. All right, Nwo. Okay, Dr. Ya's response is coming late, but you doesn't have dot under, you should have dot under. Let's go. A simple sentence now. Okay. Ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Yes. Write that in Igbo language. The way I said it. Just write the sentence. Don't tell me the meaning. Write the sentence. Ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Okay, Clement is asking, what about ṅụọ? No, that is not the word. Maya wrote is not the word. Mary, ṅụọ inquiries. I say mmiri. Mary are writing inquiries. My God. Mary, I go can you. Which one inquiries in Igbo language? You are lucky you are not near me. You don't catch you with that kind of sentence. Inquiries inside in Igbo language. Okay. Amechi wrote one mmiri go great. Okay, Mary says a mistake, it's a typo. All right, Akudenu. One mmiri iko great. Okay, one mmiri iko. All right. Okay, let me see. I'm still waiting for more responses. Mary, please write your correct sentence since you said that one is an error. Dr. Blahi, ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Okay, you wrote mmiri dị na nko. Good effort. Ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Okay, I love all those trials. We can mark now. We can safely mark the script now. Okay. Amechi, ṅụọ mmiri dị n'iko. Amechi Adaugo is the first person that got the sentence perfectly well. No need for any correction. Mmiri dị n'iko. Amechi Adaugo. Please, everybody look at what he wrote. That is a perfect sentence. Because other people had errors here and there. Like Akuden wrote mmiri dị n'iko. But when you're talking about position, we don't use na in full. We don't write NA in full. We use N, comma, and then we put the word, the actual object or the actual thing we are relating to. So Amechi is the one that got it perfect. Apart from that, your D does not have dot under the I. You don't have the keyboard here, but you have the keyboard. You wrote Nwo correctly. Dr. Blahi, Nwo mmiri dị n'iko. you wrote Muammiri Nko, you wrote Nko, Nko. It's not Nko, it's Iko, Iko. Clement, Muammiri Dina, Iko. I just made a correction. You put N dot, comma on top, and Iko for a preposition. Mary Ofem, you tried Muammiri Dina, Iko. All right, but that is not perfect. I have given you the correct answer, and the answer is from Amechi Adaugo. Please, copy what Amechi Adaugo wrote. That is the perfect sentence. I don't know. I hope we guys, all of us, got my explanation very well on how to access our Igbo ebooks. Did you get it perfectly well? And I hope you guys are going to buy the books after the class. Who is buying the book after the class? Who is going to check out our bookshop after the class? If you are going to do that, please say, I will check. Say, I will check. Remember, that is a way of facilitating your learning to move you, accelerate your learning and also support the channel. That's another way of doing it. So if you do that, please drop in the chat and say, I will check the bookshop. I now have the keyboard that thank you. Okay, you have the keyboard now. That's great. So which of you are going to check our bookshop after the class? You got the explanation on how to get the books, how to get to our bookshop. Who is going to check that out after the class? You'll find them interesting. So who is checking it? Please drop, I will check if you will do that after the class. We go to the next word, and the word is in NY alphabet. NY alphabet. I'm waiting for your response concerning the bookshop. I'm waiting for your response. If you are going to check the bookshop after the class, please say, I will check. Okay? That's very important to us. Now we're going to the NY alphabet. And the word is nye. 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 Okay, let's write the word. Nye. Okay. Nye. Okay. We passed this more already. We're past more. We've moved to another word, which is nye. No one is responding to my question on the bookshop. No one wants to check our bookshop. No one. Am I right? Is that correct? That no one wants to check the bookshop after the class? Will I be right? I hope that is not the case. Because I know surely you're going to find that interesting. Those of us who have been reading our books can attest to that. So if you bought a book before and you've found them helpful, can you drop a comment on that? Can you say something about it? Gomili say, I will check it. Thank you, Gomili. Appreciate. Those of you who have bought our books before, what can you say about it? Say something about our books. Say something. If you know you've bought our books before and you find them helpful, please drop a chat on that here. Let others see that. Okay? Waiting for that. Ugombili said, Clement said, nye. Okay. Akudenu, nye. Those are correct. Yeah, those are correct. All right. Only Ugombili want to check our bookshop. Others don't do that. I'm sure you'll be glad if you do that. Very sure, very sure. Okay, Mary said the books are very helpful. You can hear that for yourself. I'm not the one saying it. Mary had bought many of them. I think 4 or 5 of the books. So cheap. With $20, you can buy up to 5 books. What else? Or even more. So cheap. I am always in the bookshop. Good. Dr. has said that, not me saying it. So why will you not check them out? They will be very helpful to you. You can be learning offline without a teacher, because once you download the audio, it becomes yours. Okay? You don't need to go online again. You don't need to burn your data again. You can always look at the book and listen to the audio, even when you are offline. Anywhere where you are driving, you can be listening. All right? Nye, they are correct. Nye, the words are correct. Let's go to the meaning. Okay? What is the meaning of the word? Nye. Nye. Yes. Nye. Okay, Real Madrid fan, you're welcome to class. I think you've been in a class before. Am I right? Real Madrid. Have you been to a class before? Please confirm. Okay. Okay, Clement said the ebooks that I have are very good and helpful. You can hear that yourself. So if you're not buying, you are denying yourself of some helpful materials that will accelerate your learning. Okay. So nye, what is the meaning of the word nye? That's right. Okay, meaning give. Okay, correct. Give. Nye is give. That's correct. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, meaning give. Dr. Blahi correct. Akudenu correct. Mary correct. Clement correct. Dr. Blahi correct. Let's go. Past tense of nye is what? Past tense of nye is what? Let's go. What is the past tense of nye? Yes. What is the past tense of nye? Let's go. Clement, nyere. All right. Somebody has answered. Clement has answered. Any other contribution? Akuden, nyere. Great. Any other contribution? Responses are great. Mary, nyere. Great. Oh, that's fine. Your answers are correct. I think I need not waste further time. All right, the answers are correct. It is nyere. Okay, that's correct. We go straight to make a sentence now. Dr. Blahi, your answer is correct. Mary, correct. A sentence now. What do I use for sentence now? I want to use one of your names. Akudenu. Is Akudenu? I hope I'm getting the pronunciation correct. Akudenu. Okay? Nyerem onyinye. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Let's write that in Igbo language. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Let's go there. Write that in Igbo language. There you are see. What say so? Ogade. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Let's go. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Who is writing that first? Who is shooting first? Who is getting it first? Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Clement Emehe has done that first. Great work. Great work. Great work. Ugomiri Mara. Ugomiri Mara. Oh, that should be your correct name. Because I was having problem pronouncing that your name now. I can get it better now. Ugomiri Mara. I see. The ego that rain has beaten. Interesting name indeed. Okay. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Great. Akudenu nyerem onyinye. Akudenu himself. Okay. Great. I changed the spelling. Of course, because I think you should be better by now. You have to change the spelling to something better, and that is great. Yeah, that's the correct spelling now. All right, you guys are on fire. Let me mark the script now. You guys are too much. Clement wrote Akudenu Yeremoninye, perfect sentence, nothing to correct. Oh, Ugomiri Mara wrote Akudenu Yeremoninye, perfect. But though your Oninye is not perfect because your I in Oninye should have no dot under is. If you have dot under, it becomes I. But in this case, it's Oni, Nye, no dot under the I. Okay, Akuden himself, Akuden Nyerem. I don't know why you're putting comma on top of Nyere and adding M. The M should stand alone or together, it doesn't mean, but don't put any comma on top of it, no need. Mary, Akuden Nyerem Onyinye, Nyere Onyinye, you didn't put M, Nyerem. Mary, you missed that. Dr. Blahi, Akuden Nyerem Onyinye. Oh, Dr. Blahi, I don't accept your Onyinye. It's not Oyiye, it's Onyinye. Onyi, rather. So that is what it should be. Okay, you have corrected yourself. Great work, great work. Let's go to the next one. I think we should be able to still do two before we round up. We do another one, and the alphabet is P, 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 and the word is pota, pota. Let's go there. Write that in Igbo language. They are not so simple. The okua bo pota not so simple. They are not so. Write the word pota in Igbo language and write it real fast. So. Let's go. Mengwa. Okay, now. Time is going. Right. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. What did these guys write? Okay. Okay. I don't know why they are complain about what Mary wrote. It's just Pota that Mary wrote. Pota. Okay. 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 Pota. Mary, you try, but the Pota should have dot under the U, just like Ugomiri Mara, and then Clement Emehe wrote, okay, Onyinye is gift. Dr. Blahi, Onyinye means gift. Okay, Akudenu Pota, Dr. Blahi Pota, you are all right. So what is Pota? Next challenge. Pota means what? Pota means what? What is the meaning? Let's go. I say Soderemia. Gịnị ka pụta pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? I don't have the keyboard. I know, Mary. No problem. I understand. Okay, you have to try to install that keyboard. It's very important. Okay. Come out. Great work. Pụta. Got one response already from Ugomiri. Any other person coming in? The meaning of the word pụta. The meaning of the word pụta. Mary wrote, come out. Okay. Any other option? Any other option? Come out. Clement Emehe. Still the same. It appears you are all agreeing that pota means come out. And I can't agree less. I agree with you. Pota means come out. Let's go to the next stage. Past tense of the word pota is what? What is pota? The past tense is what? Let's go there. Okay, Dr. Blahi, it's not just out, but come out. We are moving to the next stage. The past tense of the word pota is what? Mary has written. Okay, Mary has written. Clement has written. Any other person coming in? Any other person coming in? It does appear those answers are correct. Potara. Potara. You guys are correct. That's the past tense of come out. Pota. The past tense is potara. Potara. Okay, that means came out. Okay. Let's have a sentence now. Ha potara osiso. Ha potara osiso or ososo, whichever you prefer. But let's use ososo. I think so. Ha potara ososo. Let's write it first. Then we decode the meaning. Ha potara ososo. Let's go there. Dr. Blahi potara. Correct? Past tense. We move to the sentence now. Ha potara ososo. What does that mean? Ha potara ososo. Yes. Ha potara ososo. Okay, I have Mary Ofem written that. Okay, Ugomiri has written also. Akudenu has written. Okay, accept. Also, both are correct. Yes. I didn't see Jessica in our class today. Amara Victor is not here today. Charles Ubochi didn't come to class today. Nake didn't come to class. Good. We had new students that came. That's fine. The important thing is that we're reaching out to more people and getting them to learn the Igbo language from wherever they are. That is our goal. All right, let's see the responses you got. Clement Hapotara, also. Oh, Clement, you are supposed to write better than this. Does class start? Class start by 2 p.m. Nigerian time every Saturday. 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Of course, I don't know what it is in your time zone now. I heard that US has a 7 hours time difference with Nigeria now. UK has aligned their time with Nigeria time now. These are the two countries I'm very familiar with their timing. I don't know what it is in your own part of the world. But for US, it's 7 hours different from our time backward. UK, same time with Nigerian time now. Right? I also need to inform you that we also have private classes for those who want to accelerate their learning and then dig deeper into Igbo language. We also offer private live classes. We have many people here who are also part of our live classes, private classes. If you want that, send your request to the igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor, that is our channel name, no space, at gmail.com if you want a private class. Okay, UK is 1 hour backward. Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay, it's Germany. Oh, is it Germany? Okay, I think it's Germany that is the same time with our own now. I think it's Germany. I think so. Okay, that's all right. Okay, my private students in Germany, I think they have the same class already. US, 7 hours gap. That is what I discover from my private classes. So if you are interested in private classes, we are available for that too. We have many students, even some of them are here in this class now that are in private class. All right. Let's go. Let's see. Mary Ofeha pụtara ọsọ, correct? Even though I know you don't have Igbo keyboard, so you won't have dot under your O's and under your U. Otherwise, I would have marked you wrong, but I know your condition. Ugomiri, your also is not okay. It's not double O, it's one O. Otherwise, it is correct. Akudenu, ha pụtara ọsịsọ. I accept it. Ọsịsọ. Same thing. Clement, I will not forgive you. Your also should have dot under O's. You're an O student. You should know better. Okay, Dr. Blahi, ha pụtara ọsọ, perfect, correct. Clement, ha pụtara ọsọ, I think that is your correction now. I say you should do better. Mary, UK is 1 hour. Okay, we've done that. And we go to the last word for today, which is rie. Let's go. Let's write it now. Rie. Please, as we are rounding up the class, also know that it's possible you show us love and appreciation by giving us super sticker or use super chat to send your chat to us. We appreciate that. To do that is very simple. Your chat bar where you are typing by the right, you see a $sign, hit the $sign, and they will display options for you, how much you want to use to say thank you to us or send us flowers or whatever. Send us anything you want in form of super chat or super sticker. We will appreciate that. Remember, this live class is free of charge. We spend our time, do our research and energy and data to do this. It's not going to be out of place if you say thank you to us by way of super sticker or super chat. To encourage us to continue doing this. So we hope to see you. Drop your super sticker, super chat before the end of this class, even as we are rounding up now. We'll appreciate that. Thank you for doing that. We're talking about Rie, and I got responses now. We have Rie from Gomiri, we have Rie from Clement, we have Rie from Mary, and I bet to say you guys are correct. So what do we do next? We determine the past tense of Rie. Let's go. What is the past tense of Rie? What is the past tense of Rie? Let's go. Past tense of Rie is what? Who is shooting that first? Who is dropping that first? Past tense of Rie. Those who promise to get our books books. You not forget that. Go Miri after the class. Do that. We'll appreciate. And you too will appreciate if you do that. I'm sure. Or the meaning of ha potara. Or, oh, thank you, Mary, for drawing my attention back. We didn't say the meaning of the sentence ha potara or so. Okay? It means they came out quickly or quick. They came out quick. Remember, potara is came out. So ha potara is they came out quick. Thank you, Mary, for drawing my attention back to that. I forgot. Ha potara so means they came out quick. Thank you. Okay, we are talking about past tense of rie. Gomiri has written that. Anybody still trying to write the past tense of rie? Rie? Yes. Anyone trying? Any other option? Got the one from Gomiri. Any other option? Any other different opinion from that? The past tense of rie is what? Past tense of rie is what? Let's go there. Yes. What is the past tense of rie? Remember, this is the last word for today. So if you have any plan or intention to send us stickers or chat or super chat or super thank, if you're watching this from our homepage, you need to do that now. All right. Mary said, I don't know. Only you go Mary tried. What are the rest people doing now? Everybody don't know the past tense of rie again. Only Ugomiri tried. Where are the rest people? Where is Clement? Where is Dr. Blahi? Where is Akudenu? Where is where's? Okay, where are they? If Mary don't know, what about the rest? The past tense of rie is what? What is the past tense of rie? Let's go. Past tense of rie. Okay, Mary is just making effort. Mary, I've already said you don't know. You just want to shoot a shot to know whether you will catch it by accident. I love that courage. All right, no problem. But Ugomiri got it right anyway, which is re. That is the correct word for past tense of rie is re. Okay, let's make our sentence, which is the last for today. Last for today. Okay. Anyị riri osikapa. Anyị riri osikapa. Let's go. You can send your answer with a super chat if you don't mind. Anyị riri osikapa. Write the sentence now. Write it now. Anyị riri osikapa. Mary, you have tried. Let's see what other people are going to do. Let's see what they will do. Anyị riri osikapa. Mary has come in. Yes. Anyone else? Still trying? Who else is trying? As we're waiting for the last response, do not forget to like this live session. Even if you are watching from our home page, remember to hit the like button. Remember to share it out to your contacts. Remember also to subscribe to our channel. If you have not done so, we appreciate that. There's also a super thanks for those of you watching from our home page. Hit the super thank you button there to show us love. We appreciate all of you. Ugomili wrote, Anyị riri osikapa. Really good efforts. Anybody still trying to write that sentence? Anyone? I had only 2 people. Anyone still trying? As we round up now. Okay. No other one coming in. Yeah, Osikapa is the I there doesn't have dot under. Osikapa is E. So it has to be I without dot under. Otherwise, the Ugomiri sentence is correct. Anyị riri osikapa, which means we ate rice. We ate rice. That is perfect sentence. All right. On this note, we are bringing our lesson today to a close. I want to appreciate all of you that joined our live class today. If you think you have benefited from our class today, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate us in any way you want or you can, and encourage us to continue doing this. Those that promise to check out our books, the bookshop, don't forget to do that immediately after the class. You will find them really interesting and helpful. Any other person out there who need our help in any form, by way of private class or any other form of assistance you want, let us know. Drop a comment making your request, and I assure you we'll respond to you in no time. Thank you very much for being around today. See you next class. Anyị ga-ahụ n'izu ọzọ or n'izu ụka ọzọ. Ka emesịa. Gomiri, thank you for your sticker. Appreciate. God bless you. Ka emesịa, anyị ga-ahụ n'izu ọzọ. We will see next week. Chukwu gọzie gị. Ka emesịa. Bye.